I started with Santa Lucia over a decade ago. 25 years na ko sa industry, no? And Santa Lucia is a part of that 25 years. I am grateful, no? Thank you sa Tanang Health, no? And thank you that over the years, daghan tag clients na tabangan ba, no? And at the same time, it helped me, no, personally. And you pay your agents and you take care of your agents well. Sa mga brokers, Santa Lucia Marketing is one of the best developers in Davao. Ang pinaka-importante, ang ang life sa mga agents is not difficult working with you. Ako po si Leia C. Walker, real estate broker. I am proud to be an accredited sales partner of Santa Lucia Marketing. Join us and be the next champion sales partner.